Now you see, in the third video, we have to see rules to find the direction of magnetic field due to a straight current carrying wire. इसका मतलब क्या है कि how to find out the direction of magnetic field due to a straight current carrying wire. If the straight current carrying wire is there, in that case, how will you find out the magnetic field? Magnetic field कौन से direction में है, ये हम कैसे find out करेंगे? So now here in this particular chapter, we have to understand the direction of the magnetic field due to straight current carrying wire, due to circular carrying current wire, or due to the current carrying wire simply. Okay, so or we can say that when the current is flowing through the wire, how it indicates the magnetic field. Okay, either the current is flowing in a straight line or either the current is flowing in a circular orbit. So depending upon that, if the straight wire is there, in the straight wire, if the current is flowing in the upward direction or current is flowing in the downward direction. If upward direction it is there, if the current is flowing in the upward direction, in that particular case, and the magnetic field is produced, is called as what? Upward direction or incoming current, outward it is called. And if the current is flowing in downward direction, the magnetic field produced by this, it is shown by this sign. So already this we have studied in the first or second class of this moving charges and magnetism. So now here we have to see about the Ampere's right hand grip rule. It is called as Ampere right hand grip rule, or it is also called as right hand thumb rule. It is also called as what? Right hand thumb rule. Clear? So what this indicates? This is for what? This indicates when the wire is in the straight wire, if we'll consider, and straight wire is considered, and if we hold the wire in the right hand like this, okay, करंट फ्लोइंग इन द अपर डायरेक्शन, और वायर को हमने कैसे किया हुआ है, इस तरह से पकड़ के रखा है. ओके, थंब को अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में किया हुआ है. ओके, बिकॉज करंट इज फ्लोइंग इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, थंब इज ऑल्सो शोन इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, एंड these आर द कर्ल्ड फिंगर्स विच हैज़ होल्डेड दिस वायर. वायर को कर्ल्ड फिंगर ने क्या किया, पकड़ के रखा हुआ है. करंट किस डायरेक्शन में है, अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में है. तो थंब क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, it shows the direction of current when we held or hold the straight current carrying wire in our right hand. राइट हैंड में जब मैंने पकड़ के रखा हुआ है तो, और पकड़ने के बाद जो करंट है वो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में फ्लो हो रहा है. सो व्हेन द करंट इज फ्लोइंग इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन एंड इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द थंब, देन दिस कर्ल्ड फिंगर्स which are there, what these curled fingers will show? Curled fingers will represent the direction of magnetic field. फिर से और एक बार समझ लो. सपोज ये वायर है, इस वायर में को हमने राइट हैंड से पकड़ के रखा है, थंब को अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में है ऐसा. सो व्हाट द थंब विल डू, थंब विल शो द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट, एंड व्हाट दिस फिंगर्स विल शो, fingers will show the direction of magnetic field. इसका मतलब है जब भी वायर को हम ऐसा पकड़ते हैं तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड उसके चारों तरफ कैसे जनरेट होगा, इस तरह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जनरेट होगा वायर के चारों तरफ. सो दिस इज द राइट हैंड, एम्पियर्स राइट हैंड रूल. सो एम्पियर्स राइट हैंड रूल में वी हैव टू कंसिडर दैट द राइट हैंड इज टू बी, right hand is holding the straight current carrying wire, and when it is holding the straight current carrying wire, the thumb represents what, the direction of the current. Thumb represents what, direction of the current, and curled fingers represents what, कर्ल्ड फिंगर्स रिप्रेजेंट्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। सो जब भी करंट कैरिंग वायर को हम अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में कंसिडर करके रखते हैं, एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम द कर्ल्ड फिंगर will represent the magnetic field generated, and the thumb in the upward direction will show that the current is flowing in the upside, outward direction or upward direction. Okay, so here again two things are there. First is that current is flowing in upward direction. Second is that if the current is flowing in downward direction, how will you show the downward direction? So in the downward direction again, it is shown, instead of this we have to represent like this. Clear? So upward direction में हम ऐसा पकड़ेंगे, downward direction में हम ऐसा पकड़ेंगे। तो thumb जो है direction of current का represent कर रहा है। तो again here what this curled fingers will represent? Magnetic field in the अराउंड द वायर इटसेल्फ। मैग्नेटिक फील्ड किस डायरेक्शन में रहेगा? अराउंड द वायर रहेगा। सो हियर द राइट हैंड थंब रूल रिप्रेजेंट दैट इफ ए स्ट्रेट करंट कैरिंग वायर इज held by the right hand such that the outstretched thumb is pointing in the direction of the current and the curled fingers will indicate the direction of magnetic field. So when the current I is coming in upward direction or outward direction, the magnetic field B is in the circle in the form of what? Anti-clockwise direction. Magnetic field किस direction में रहेगा? Anti-clockwise direction में रहेगा जब current flow हो रहा है upward direction में. So the magnetic field will be there in this direction, and here when the current is flowing in the downward direction, the magnetic field will be there in the clockwise direction. Clear? So two things you have to understand. First thing, the Ampere's right hand rule. When we hold the wire in the right hand, and it is, if we consider this pen as a straight current carrying wire, and if you hold it in this particular manner, the thumb will represent the direction of current in upward direction and the fingers are representing the direction of magnetic field. In which direction? Clockwise direction. कौन से direction में है वो? Clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction, sorry. It will represent this. When current is moving in upward direction, then it is in anti-clockwise direction. And clockwise direction कब होगा? जब current is pointing inward direction. Okay, so the magnetic field in the circle in the clockwise direction. So ये जो first है, it will represent like this. It is represented by the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, ये है तुम्हारा anti-clockwise direction. और जो second है, ये रहेगा तुम्हारा clockwise direction. So these are the two directions of the magnetic field when the straight carrying current conducting wire is considered. Next part है clock rule. What is clock rule? If the face of the coil behaves as north pole, face of the coil is behaving as a north pole when the current is flowing in the anti-clockwise direction. Circular wire में, if in a circular wire, if we consider that this is the circular wire, and in this wire if the current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction, then that pole is called as the north pole. And if the current is flowing in clockwise direction, then that pole is represented by the south pole. Okay, तो ये है तुम्हारा south pole. So this is called as the clock rule. ये हमने रूल कौन सा देखा है, इसको कहते हैं क्लॉक रूल. तो क्लॉक रूल इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय टू थिंग्स. वन इज नॉर्थ पोल is representing in the anti clockwise direction and south pole is representing in the clockwise direction. ओके, बाकी का हम कल